mga artist na ganito sa Pilipinas or sa Bohol. Kaya talagang
Very grateful.
excited po ako na makita personally yung i-release nilang book.
Ayan nga, Elvin, bilang isang Pinoy artist, ano yung mensahe mo sa iba pang mga aspiring artist na nagnanais sumunod sa yapak mo at makamit din yung kaparehong tagumpay sa larangan ng sining? Elvin?
I think his line got cut off. Pero, of course, talagang very grateful tayo sa galing ng Pinoy, lalo na talaga napapakita yung galing sa larangan ng sining.
Yes, tama. Elvin, ulit, ano yung
Yes
mensahe
po, yes.
mo? Ano yung mga mensahe mo sa iba pang aspiring artist na sumunod gustong sumunod sa yapak mo at mabigyang pagkilala rin sa larangan ng sining?
Yung maipapayo ko lang po sa kanila is just dream big, aim high. If you know that you have talent, so i-push mo lang kasi I know that if that is given by God sa iyo, so possibly you are deserving to receive that kind of talent. So you must work out with your talent, you must develop because we are just a steward here in this kind of talent. So just push more and then develop it and then enhance it and then yun, gawa ka lang ng mga obra mo na it represents the identity as a Filipino na na makakipag-give value ka sa yung kultura kasi we are living in a short period of time and then in the future years hindi malilimutan na tayo ng tao, but if you have a contribution to the art community or art scene in your province or in your community, then you will be remembered for the future generations to come, and then the future generation will be inspired by your story, by your struggle as an artist. So for me, if you are an artist, just push more because a lot of Filipinos there are a lot of potentials na mga Pilipino na mag-penetrate sa international audience. So lahat po tayo ay meron tayong mga pangarap, and then as a Filipino, we must encourage everyone na kumbaga let's not be kanang negative na hindi natin kaya. Kasi ako, I'm just a Boholano, but I really appreciated what God gave me today, and then merong mga opportunity na ganito po. So I'm really grateful to God always. So yun po.
Elvin, of course, maraming salamat sa pagbabahagi mo.